In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert page breaks in Google Docs. A page break tells Google Docs to start the next content on a brand new page exactly where you want it. It's perfect for separating a title page from your main text, pushing a new chapter to the top of the next page, or keeping a table from splitting awkwardly. First, open the Google Docs file you want to edit. You can work in any modern browser. Give the document a second to load so page boundaries are visible. That way you'll clearly see the effect of the break once it's inserted. Next, click to place your cursor precisely where the new page should begin. For example, just before the third paragraph or ahead of a heading. The blinking insertion point is your marker. Anything below that point will be moved to the following page once you add the break, so choose the spot carefully. Now use the menu method, which is clear and consistent across devices. At the top of your document, click Insert. From the drop-down, hover over Break, then select Page Break. As soon as you do, Docs creates a hard boundary and starts a fresh page. This method is reliable because it doesn't depend on spacing or margins. It tells Docs exactly where to break. If you placed it in the wrong spot, you can always undo immediately. You can also use a quick keyboard shortcut if you prefer to keep your hands on the keys. On a Mac, press Command plus Enter. On Windows, press Control plus Enter. The shortcut performs the exact same action as the menu, but it's faster once you've memorized it. It's handy for writers who add chapter breaks frequently, or anyone formatting longer documents where efficiency matters. Finally, check the result. Everything below your cursor should have moved cleanly to a new page, and your layout will look tidy without extra blank lines. This approach is both faster and cleaner than tapping Enter over and over, which can shift unexpectedly when you edit or print. Page breaks stay anchored to the point you chose, preserving your structure no matter how much text you add above. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.